Coffee's cold, but I still sit and sip, trying to hold on to the taste of your lips. Your sweater's hanging on the chair by the door, like you're coming back like before. The days go on, but time stands still, and I keep chasing what I feel. Jennifer, you haunt me like a song, playing in the dark when the lights are gone. Jennifer, I whisper to the night, hoping somehow you might hear the sound, the sound of your goodbye. I found your note between the pages we read, a folded truth I never should have said. Now every word feels like a flame, burning slow, calling your name. I walk these streets, but they don't know me. They only know who I used to be. Jennifer, you haunt me like a song, playing in the dark when the lights are gone. Jennifer, I whisper to the night, hoping somehow you might hear the sound, the sound of your goodbye. Maybe love was just a season, but you were every reason I believed in forever. Final verse, you hold me like a song, echoing where you don't belong. Jennifer, no matter how I try, I still hear the sound of your goodbye.